What if the biggest crisis of our time isn't political or economic, but moral? Are we building societies around rights or around responsibilities? Historically, the language of rights rose in Europe after the 17th century. The Enlightenment, social contract theory, and later human rights movements framed society as a system designed to protect individuals from abuse. Thinkers like John Locke, and later modern sociologists such as Anthony Giddens, emphasized autonomy and choice. Rights-based societies empower individuals, protect minorities, and limit state power. But when rights stand alone, they can produce fragmentation, moral relativism, and what Zygmunt Bauman called liquid modernity, where commitments become temporary and social bonds weak. Responsibility-centered societies followed a different path. In Confucian, African, and Islamic traditions, moral duty precedes individual claim. In Islamic thought, responsibility is rooted in taklif, moral accountability before God, and expressed through family obligations, social justice, and communal care. Ibn Khaldun's concept of asabiya explains how strong civilizations emerge from shared responsibility and cohesion. Contemporary Muslim sociologist Ali Shariati argued that justice arises not from entitlement, but from ethical struggle and collective duty. When responsibility operates without rights, however, it risks hierarchy, conformity, and silencing dissent. Sociologist Talal Asad warns that moral authority, when unchecked, can become coercive. History shows that duty without protection can justify oppression. The sociological lesson is balance. Émile Durkheim argued that healthy societies require both moral regulation and individual dignity. Rights without responsibility weaken solidarity. Responsibility without rights erodes justice. A just society protects individual rights while cultivating ethical responsibility toward others. The most stable societies are not those that ask, "What am I owed?" or "What must I obey?" but those that ask, "What do I owe others, and what do others owe me?" If this made you rethink justice, society, and morality, like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who believes rights or responsibility alone can fix the world.